Hi, Achim from American Runabouts. Our new project. I introduced you recently to this green CV20 CV16. So this is a 71 Glastron GT160. Freshly from the US, as you can see, she was registered in Georgia, and despite the fact she's a bit dirty and everything, she's in really nice condition. Same thing as with the green one, the exterior is pretty flawless. I mean, what you see here is dirt and a bit of oxidization and stuff. Nothing that a good wet sand and a polish can't fix. The rub rail actually gives a good indication that boat has not been slapped around or beaten or whatever. It's no nicks, no nothing. Super nice bow light. I've never seen one of these as an original, but yeah, really nice. So we keep that. Bow caps missing that I can take from our stock. Actually, the first one where I see the medallion in good condition, so I will just get a new sticker also from our collection. Windscreen's in good condition, frame is in great condition, needs a new engine. This one's done, so it gets our 140 tower of power that's already in the workshop and in overhaul. And yeah, the major thing here is the interior, which is same thing again like with the green CV. It's pretty dead. So we had all of this remanufactured to original specs, and so I will start now ripping out the interior, and then it goes to our upholstery guy, and we will get a complete new interior and a complete new carpet. Some of these instruments need a replacement, but that comes with the engine, so not a big deal as well. And then something special on this boat is that she sits on an original Glastron trailer. So if you've seen our GT160, Miss Moneypenny, she also sits on one which was rebuilt. This one is original, and it has 0 miles on the street. Well, except for what we did with the boat now, probably 80 kilometers or something like that. But that is, I think, one of the last ones that was on display at the German distributor T-Bus, and that's where we got it from. So carpet and everything is in pristine condition. So the rims have a bit of oxidization, so they need a bit of polishing. It gets new white wall tires, obviously, and it has to be converted to, actually the axle and the brakes have to be converted to be able to make it street legal in Germany. But that's what we do on a regular basis. And as I said, if you've seen Moneypenny, do we have a picture of Moneypenny? Yeah, we'll put a picture of Moneypenny right here, so you have an idea what I'm talking about. And yeah, so that's the same thing that we're going to do with this one, just without the repainting and everything. So we'll keep its original patina, which, yeah, basically doesn't have anything. Good. So that's the intro to this new project, and we'll give you updates along the way, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.